Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paushali Ghosh and today I'm going to show you how I do my smoky eye makeup within just 2 minutes and using 3 minimal things on my eye. So before I start, I already fill in my brows and applying this Mama Skin Tone face serum on my face, and after that I'm going to color correct my skin with this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330 Toffee. After the foundation, I am going to conceal my face with this Kryolan TV pen stick. After concealing my face, I am going to set my face with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow powder, and I am taking this shade, placing under my eyes. And after that I am going to contour my face with this shade. So after applying the powder, I am going to dust off my face with this same brush. So I did my this eye off camera and this is how it looks like, and it takes really 2 to 3 minutes for doing this eye. And if you wanna know how I create this eye look, then please keep on watching. So first all you need is kajal, and put the kajal on your eyelid. And after that you need to blend this with your finger. So after that you need an eyeshadow, and I am taking this eyeshadow from this palette and putting this on my eyelid. And after that I am going to take this shade and putting this on my crease. Then I put the kajal on the lower part of my eye and smudge that with the help of this kind of synthetic brush. After smudging the kajal, I am taking the dark shade of this Wet n Wild palette. Basically, I am doing the same thing in my lower lash line. Then I take the Shivana highlighter and put this on the inner part of my eye and also on my brow bone. Now I am applying this blush from Sugar and this is Mauve Marble number 03. I'm going to apply this a little bit. And after that I'm going to highlight my face with this Shivana highlighter. So now I am using this Maybelline Baby Lips Lip Balm, and after that I am going to use this My Glam Lit Liquid Lipstick in the shade Swinger number 18. So this is how it looks like, and I'm going to finish my makeup with this mascara from Maybelline. Now I am finishing the look by putting kajal on my upper lash line. And today I don't wear any false eyelashes because I'm going to take off my makeup after filming this video. So, but you can wear a false lash to enhance the look. So this is the final look, you guys. I'm very much enjoying filming this video, and if you enjoy watching this video then please subscribe to my channel because one subscription means a lot to me. So please subscribe to my channel and support me so that I can keep going and complete my 1K subscriber very soon. And stay tuned. Bye bye.